Hey guys, welcome to Long Nails. Today I'll be showing you how to go live on your Facebook from your iPhone, and let's start right in now. To go live on your Facebook from your iPhone, let's open up the Facebook app first. And after opening your Facebook app, you can see there is the what's on your mind on the top of the screen, just below your feed over here, just beside your profile picture. Tap over here where it says the what's on your mind, and over here you can see you can slide it up on this button or this slider. Let's do that again and slide it up, and there is the live video option available. Tap on that live video and let's tap on OK, and let's tap on the OK. And I would prefer to cover my camera, and you can see guys, this is how to go live. You can see you can post it to your friends, you can change your public or your viewers from over here. And with that being said, you can tap on go live, and let's change it to only me for now. And let's cross this, and let's tap on go live, and you will start to broadcast your live session like this. And you can finish it from the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on finish, and let's click on next. And you can also choose to either to back it up or delete it. I would say delete after 30 days. And there guys, we have successfully been live for a moment, and this is how you go live on your Facebook account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.